So Bailey's happy. We just found my birdhouse on the ground. Was hanging right there on the floor. You can kind of see the imprints. So let's go see what else she destroyed. Shall we? I think this will be fun. Okay. Little Miss Bailey here likes to chew up things. A lot of things. And put them in weird places. Like behind of a car and different things like over behind our camper. All of that. Yeah, I'm gonna need a vacuum cleaner for the ground. Wow, Bailey, you are destructive. Maybe we might find your pet bed. We never know. We never know. Yep, so I'm trailing behind because I know I'm in trouble. And we found your pet bed. Everywhere. Out here. Yeah. And you took the lady's lunch. She sits on the carpet for you. Yep, that looks delicious. I don't know what that is supposed to. And newspaper. Newspaper. So I know I'm in trouble. So yes. And now we need to go look behind the dog pen because that's where it's all at. And don't you dare chew up another thing while on this walk. We have these walks once a week. Basically to make me mad at Bailey. Because she gets in the trash and tears things up, you know. Bad, very bad thing. And it's just scattered everywhere. And I get to clean it up for everyone. More pet bed. Inside and out. She found, yeah. Looks like someone had fun over here. Yep. What do you have to say to yourself, Missy? So what do you have to say for yourself, Bailey? And the football? Yeah. Say, I'm in trouble! Bailey!